lot of bad knowledge shit I can't say. It's probably why I got put these problems in my damn
Boss
way.
more everything. Whoa, whoa, yes. Boss more everything. Ay, I swear to God, boss more everything. Yeah, boss more everything.
Yeah, I'm from the south side, Chicago where they known the pop lit.
What up, Smart Rapper Gang? Another video, music marketing, music learning from a McLaren. I just got my McLaren. Everybody being nice, everybody talking over here to me. I walked over to the guy in the truck and I'm like, you get that big ass truck. I'm like, what it cost you to fill up, man? I was like, what, it cost like $300? He's like, he's crazy. I'm like, yeah.
It's not acceptable.
I'm like, have a great day, man. I talked to everybody. He looked like he wanted to, talk to me. I'm like, okay, let's talk, buddy. I'm like, just be nice to everybody, no matter who it is, man. It comes back to you. Either way, let's talk about this. Let's talk about cleansing your music. Have you ever thought about this? And actually, what's up, bro? Man, this is the color it came in, man. It came in this color. Yeah. Hey, man, I appreciate you, bro. Hey, have a fantastic day, man. That's funny, because that was actually the homeless guy that was screaming, I'm black and I'm proud. I hit you with the pump. He was being crazy about 2 minutes ago, and then he was being real nice. Everybody nice to you when you're in McLaren, man. What's up with that? Yeah, baby. Anyway, so, again, that's why you see like things like this are a marketing tool. Everybody wants to talk to you. Everybody wants to be your friend. You be friendly, and you can befriend a lot of people if you have a nice car. Even if it's, it's a Challenger, it's SRT, whatever. I talk to those people too, because I think they're hard. You pull them next to me in a Cobra, I'm gonna be your friend, right? You pull me in a Mustang Cobra, I love that car. Anyway, enough of that stuff, okay? I know you've thought about this before, and that is when you have a ton of songs, you have a bunch of music, and you're like, man, I have all these songs out, but people only listening to certain ones. I'm gonna talk about something that's, I would consider, purging your music, which is going back and deleting the songs that you're not really a fan of, or that you see people aren't really messing with, right? You're gonna have a bunch of those songs that exist, but the thing is, choosing them can be based on just what are the reactions of people, right? This way, when you go back and anybody goes to your catalog, they're like, oh my God, like every song is like crazy. I can't believe this, because that's what you want anyway, right? But you were still building your style while you were posting all these songs. So you couldn't really do that at first, because you were still learning your style, learning what your audience liked. But then you can go back. So I want you to think about this. And the reason why I want you to shift into this mind state is because this is gonna let you think I can release whatever music I want without worrying about it, without overthinking it. And by being able to release more music, you're gonna grow faster, because you're gonna be able to make more music, have a reason to make more music, which means that you're gonna grow your style faster, you're gonna find yourself faster, you're gonna find your brand faster, more music's gonna be out, but then you just go in there and you just freaking take down those songs. Now, I'm gonna tell you something else, what you can do with this. You can take those songs and you can give them away as music that is not public, and you give those to fans in order to add them to an email list, okay? Stuff like that. Very simple, very smart, okay? Now, I want you to get into that mindset so that you're doing that. So you're making more music, you're doing everything that you can to really, move to the next level, and just realize you can always delete music. It's like posting pictures. It's the same thing with Instagram. You post pictures on Instagram, whatever you do, you post, man, you can just delete the songs later, delete the pictures later, delete the video later, see what people like, see what they don't like, see what times work on your Instagram. It's about testing and trying things. If you only try one song every 3 months because nobody liked that song, and now you don't release anything because your feelings are hurt, that didn't work, what's the next thing you're gonna try? You wanna know people who succeed, and you've heard this a million times, people succeed who have failed the most. The more songs you release that don't work is the faster you're gonna find the songs that work. Man, it's not a complicated thought process. It's not. But you have to overcome that fear of caring what people think. They don't really care. As soon as they have a thought about you, it's gonna pass, they're gonna move on to the next thing. That's how people think. They're not sitting there thinking, man, this guy really sucks, and then thinking about how much you suck all day. That's not how shit works. You know what I'm saying? That's how it is. So start releasing music, man. Stop playing around, man. Quit playing. Stop caring. Nobody cares. Just do it. That's when you start growing, I promise, okay? Now don't forget, I got the Music Industry Shortcut launched. That's brand new, 150 masterclasses. Literally 5 times cheaper than the Rapper Shortcut was, just so that everybody can afford to be in it, and make sure I'm able to give all of these things to people. People are always like, it's too expensive, Rob, so I changed the entire structure, I changed the entire way it's delivered, I changed everything about it so that everybody can afford it. I have 4 calls a month now instead of just 2, so you have more opportunity to get on a call with me and ask me questions if you feel like you're stuck. You have a community, you're gonna have a way larger community of artists just like you, because it's more affordable. And I know, I'm like, man, some people can afford that. I know when I was an artist, I couldn't afford anything that was over 10 bucks, so I made it less than 10 bucks, So, there it is. I'm Rob Level. Oh, crazy person in the street. Okay, throwing her fist in the air. All right, you good? All right, I'm Rob Level. This is Smart Rapper. Just got a little bit smarter. I feel good about this video. Hope it helped you out. Keep hustling, gang, and I'll see you at the top.
Boss more everything. Yo.